Starting with the right hand, good news, it stays the same. The pattern that you were playing for part 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, we will continue that into part 2. And you will play it 4 times. The left hand, you will also start with the thumb on A. For this part 2, we will be playing 2-note chords. So let me show you what those are. In this position, I want you to play fingers 1 and 3. So you should be on A and F. Now we're going to move the hand down, 1 white note, and play fingers 1 and 3. Okay. Move the hand down, 1 white note, and play fingers 1 and 3. Move the hand down, 1 white note, and play fingers 1 and 5. All right, so it's 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 5. Bum ba da dum, bum ba da dum, bum ba da dum, bum ba da dum. Bringing the hands together for part 2. I'm going to do a little demo of part 1 into part 2.